Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable all mail notifications on Gmail using your mobile device. This way, you'll never miss an important email, whether it lands in your inbox or elsewhere in your account. First, open your Gmail app on your phone. Once inside, look for the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, and tap on it. This will open a side menu with various options. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of your email accounts linked to the app. Select the email account for which you want to enable all mail notifications. After choosing your account, tap on Manage Labels. This section controls how Gmail syncs and notifies you about emails in different folders or labels. Look for the label named All Mail and tap on it. This label includes every email in your account, not just those in your primary inbox. Now, under the All Mail settings, tap on Sync Messages. You'll be given options like syncing emails from the last 30 days or syncing all messages. Choose either last 30 days or all to ensure your Gmail app keeps these emails up to date. Finally, make sure to check the box or toggle on Label Notifications. This activates alerts for every email under the All Mail label, so you get notified whenever a new message arrives, even if it's archived or categorized outside your primary inbox. By following these steps, you'll have comprehensive notifications for all your Gmail messages, helping you stay on top of your emails without missing a beat. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to adjust syncing duration or notification preferences as your needs change. Thank you for watching.